We continue our breaking news coverage tonight as Governor Mike DeWine promises a crackdown on violent crime in Cincinnati. My co-anchor Tanya O'Rourke leads our team coverage from City Hall tonight. Tanya, you've been out there for the better part of this afternoon. You were there for the news conference asking the governor as well as the mayor and other leaders some really poignant questions.
You know what, Adrian, this was really a show of force. The governor and all levels of law enforcement, from the police department all the way to the U.S. Marshals and the U.S. District Attorney on hand, each explaining how they're going to help crack down on violent offenders in our community. But they stress the state is not taking over. Think of it, if you will, like a pyramid. CPD will still remain at the top and in charge. The other agencies like the Ohio State Highway Patrol, U.S. District Attorney, and the Marshals will serve as support. As for the specifics of that support, I want to bring in WCPO 9 reporter Valerie Lyons. Valerie, you were at that news conference with me. You were asking our federal, state, and local leaders about the impact of what were your takeaways from what you were hearing in that news conference?
Well, it was a lot, right? We were, very furiously writing down a lot of details. But, since August, troopers have been helping with traffic patrol on our highways. Well, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine says now Ohio State Highway Patrol is also going to assist Cincinnati police in other ways, too. And that includes aerial patrol to help track down suspects who are fleeing from officers. So troopers are also going to help with reduction efforts in crime hotspots using a lot of data from the Cincinnati Police Department's intelligence unit. And then you've got Fugitive Apprehension Strike Force team. They're going to focus on offenders currently wanted for violent crimes, as well as those violating the terms of their post-release control. CPD is now joining the U.S. Marshal Service to track down the region's most wanted fugitives. The Ohio Investigative Unit will help with liquor enforcement at places the governor says facilitate violent crime. And the U.S. Attorney's Office is now going to help prosecute cases involving violent repeat offenders who illegally possess guns. Do you feel confident that you are equipped to handle this new caseload?
Yes, I do feel confident that we're equipped to handle it. We don't need necessarily a federal agent to be on every single one of these cases. Now, they help sometimes. They have to run different checks in terms of interstate nexus for guns and do certain tasks like that. But we can take cases where a gun is seized at a traffic stop from a CPD officer on a violent offender, someone with prior offenses for aggravated robbery, aggravated burglary.
Well, Cincinnati's leaders have faced scrutiny over public safety all summer, especially after that downtown brawl in July. And Cincinnati police rolled out a few initiatives in efforts to crack down. Those included a roving task force, a new drone program, and enforcing a curfew for minors, especially in downtown and OTR. Now, Governor DeWine, Tanya, he says that these efforts, this partnership is going to continue as long as needed. But I also want to point out all of this talk of cracking down on violent repeat offenders, on those who are violating terms of their post-release control. It reminded me of the case with the suspect in the Patrick Herringer case. And I asked the mayor, was that a turning point? Remember, it happened earlier this summer. He wouldn't exactly say that, but he did touch on the significance of that crime.
And Valerie, thank you very much. I actually was texting with Patrick Herringer's widow, Sarah, right after that announcement. As you know, Patrick was stabbed to death in his OTR home earlier this year. And Sarah tells me she remains worried about judges letting people out of jail, that is, on low bonds. She believes the city allowed crime to get out of hand, that the result is her husband's death and other acts of violence. And we have heard that concern from others in the community, too. So I asked Mayor Pureval about that.
Mayor, do you also have a message for the judges locally on perhaps being tougher in the courtroom?
My message to the judges continues to be we have serious public safety challenges that we're facing from city leadership, from our local law enforcement, and it is a recurring message that I hear from our police officers that they feel frustrated. They feel frustrated that they do all of this work, all of this investigative work, then the enforcement work, and unfortunately they see folks that they apprehend back on the street much sooner than they expect.
I want you to know that I also talked one-on-one with Governor Mike DeWine right after that news conference. He told me this show of force is not a magic wand. Those are his words. But he believes based on other cities, this has helped, that they have helped, that this will bring a level of safety to Cincinnati. Now, lots of organizations are working hard right now to address crime. Specifically, want to talk about the chiefs of police in Hamilton County. They're asking the community at large to weigh in on public safety. That group is hosting a listening session. They're going to sit and listen to you next Thursday. It's the 18th at the Delhi Town Square at 6:30. They want to hear your thoughts, your concerns too. They've invited prosecutors, they've invited judges to come to listen as well. That session is September 18th, 6:30 if you want to go and join in. And